Welcome to Practical Solid. Now that you have a profile, we will bring some life to it. Today I will show you how you can upload a profile picture and how to add your first friend. So I went back to my profile at solidcommunity.net. I'm going to sign in and now here we are. I can switch to the Edit Your Profile tab to see my profile and my information. And now I can just upload a new profile picture here. Yeah, to upload the picture, I'm just dragging a file from my hard drive and dropping it on the empty profile picture here. And now I'm asked if I want to upload it, and I just confirm it. And now we're done. We can now visit our profile, how it's shown for others. And we can confirm the profile picture is there. The next thing I'm going to show you is how you can add a friend to your friend list. I'm just going to visit my own profile, which is at angelofeltens.org. And now we can sign in using our Solid Community profile. We just need to confirm that the pod we are signing into is allowed to write data to our pod, which is important because we want to add a friend, and the friend should be added to our friend list in our pod. And as soon as I signed in as Practical Solid, I can just use the Add Me to Your Friend List button down here. Click it. Now we're seeing that the button switched to already part of your friend list. And when we go back to our Practical Solid pod, we can see that the other profile has been added to our friends list. I want to ask you for one thing. If you got a pod and created a profile, please feel free to add me to your friend list and leave a comment below the video with your web ID, and I will add you to my friend list as well. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't miss the next episodes of Practical Solid.